Argentina's worst floods in 18 years raged through Buenos Aires and its suburbs. Near the River Plata, the waters rose as much as 16 feet to be whipped by 50-mile-an-hour gales into angry torrents through the streets. The floods came after weeks of soaring temperatures and unseasonal calms. 300 are missing, nearly 30 believed dead in the angry onslaught that battered houses, dikes, stores, everything in its path into rubble. Damage estimates ranged into the tens of millions of dollars. 100,000 Argentines were homeless, the lives of 500,000 more disrupted. Buenos Aires relief facilities are strained to the limit in this moment of national tragedy.